Today's video lesson is Chapter 2, Lesson 3E. We're going to divide mixed numbers. This is our last lesson of the chapter, so this will be our last video for a couple of days. We're going to take chapter tests in about 2 class periods from now. Alright, so here we go. We know that we need to do, there's 3 steps. We know we need to do 3 steps, and those 3 steps are keep, change, and flip. Keep, switch, flip, keep, change, flip. But when we have mixed numbers, there's something that comes first. Think about what came first when we were multiplying mixed numbers. And what was that? Improper. So improper is our first step here also. So we have 4 steps. Improper, keep, change, flip. So if the book writes it, if the question starts off like this, 6 1/2 divided by 3 1/4. I want you to write it improper. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 over 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 over 4. I want you to write it improper with the division sign. Then I want you to write it again. This time, keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. I'll tell you, oh, that's a terrible 13. I'll tell you what students do. They think they flipped when they have not really flipped. And if you look at the book and you don't write it twice, I think you're going to fall in that same trap. So if you write it the first time, you write it with the division sign, and all we've done is the improper step. Write it again, now you've done the other 3 steps. Keep, change, and flip. And I know it seems silly that you have to write it twice, but it's going to help you get the correct answer and a better grade on your test. So, write it improper with the division sign, write it again, keep, change, flip. So now this question, the 13s can cross out and become 1s. These guys can cross out. Final answer is 2 over 1, which is just a 2. Alright, you try this one. 5 1/2 divided by 2 1/2. Write it improper with the division sign, then do our keep, change, flip stuff. Pause the video while you work it out, then hit play. Did you get 2 1/5? Look and see my work. I made it improper. Keep, change, flip. 11 over 5. 5 goes into 11 twice with 1 left over. All right, what if one of the numbers is just a fraction, it's not a mixed number? Or what if the numbers is a whole number? So nothing really changes. I'm going to work it out. Watch me as I go. Here are your Google Classroom questions. Question 1, tell me the first step of dividing mixed numbers. Question 2, type in this sentence. Dividing mixed numbers is similar to blank because blah, 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 blah. Question 3, actually do this division question.